Sendcloud tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sendcloud. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Sendcloud, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is this platform, Sendcloud is an all-in-one shipping solution designed to simplify the shipping process for e-commerce retailers, in which it connects online sellers to a diverse catalog of international shipping products and delivery options from over 80 carriers across Europe. And also, the platform provides integrations with more than 50 e-commerce platforms, WMS systems, and marketplaces, making it a comprehensive solution for automating shipping processes. And Sendcloud's APIs offers the necessary features and tools to build shipping automation around the platform, enabling retailers to streamline their shipping process and automate logistic flows. And now to start using this platform, you can also click this Start for Free button right here. And upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page and to create your account on Sendcloud. Below here, just enter your email address or your password, or alternatively, you could also sign in using your Google, Facebook, or this SSO account. But in those options, I'm going to sign in using my Google account, and after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And it will show you in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, and as you can see under Account Setup, from here, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including your personal information, including about you and your store, which is your first name, last name, company name. And also from here, you are required to select the industry do you operate in, your location or your country, and also your phone number below here. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select how many parcels do you ship per month. And after selecting your answer, just proceed by clicking Save and Continue button below here. And after that, the next thing that you need to do under Connect Your Store is to simply connect your store, those stores including Shopify, WooCommerce, Sendcloud API, Amazon, and any other store that you could also connect in here. We have here eBay, Equid, Stockpilot, Wix, WooCommerce, and many more. And after that, just click the Continue button to proceed, since I'm going to skip this part right here. Now moving on, under Enable Carriers, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select which kind of carriers do you prefer or do you use in your business. And as you can see, we have here a variety of carrier company that you can choose. We have here DPD UK, Royal Mail, FedEx, and many more. So you can simply enable Own Contract or Enable button to proceed, selecting a specific carriers. Now moving on by clicking the Continue button right here under Your Brand. All you need to do from here is to simply fill out all of the required information, including your brand details, such as your name, and even choose your brand primary color. And you could also drag and drop your file here for your logo. And below here, you could also create a shipping portal link if you want to. But at this point, I'm going to use my brand name to automatically generate URL. And now after entering here your brand details name, just proceed by clicking Save and Continue button below here. And after that, you will be able to be directed under Add Your Address section right here, in which from here, all you need to do is to simply enter your address, your house number, your city, your zip code, and any other address details. And as you can see in here, you could also add other business details below. And after filling out all of the required information, which is your address details right here, we can now proceed by clicking Save and Continue button to proceed. Now moving on under Payment Details, from here, you could also verify your payment method if valid or add your payment method right here, which is also helpful to begin your shipping. By clicking this Add Payment Method button right here, it will show you on this pop-up window that you're required to pay £0.02 payment in order to proceed. However, at this point, I'm just going to skip this part. So I'm going to close this window and click the Continue button to proceed. And after clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see on this dashboard, it will show us the plans that offer by Sendcloud. We have here Free Plan, Light, Growth, and Premium Plan. And below here, it will show us the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. While on the right side panel, it will show us the general options such as account, plans, financial, integrations, and many more. While for the top panel, we could also navigate here the shipping, returns, pickups, and rates option, in which by clicking the shipping option, in which this option provides e-commerce retailers with the ability to offer flexible and customizable shipping methods to their customers by integrating with over 80 carriers across Europe and offering integrations with 50 plus e-commerce platforms. So you could basically see here the incoming orders, list of created labels, the orders that has been shipped, cancelled, and reports. And if you also want to add new shipment, you can do so by clicking this new shipment button on the top right corner. Or you could also upload a file from your computer that contain a shipping details, including the name, country code, address, house number, city, and postal code that contain on the file that you are going to upload. So basically, through Sendcloud's shipping options, retailers can access a diverse catalog of international shipping products and delivery options, including same-day, next-day, and nominated day delivery, in which this allows retailers to cater to the varying needs and preferences of their customers, enhancing the overall shipping experience. Now moving on, aside from shipping option, you could also navigate here on the top panel this returns option by simply clicking on it. From here, it will show you the number of incoming returns, not processed and cancelled order, in which the purpose of this option is to simplify the process of managing returns for e-commerce retailers. Since Sendcloud's returns feature allows retailers to automate the return process, providing customers with a personalized return portal and enabling them to initiate return easily. And to create new return, just click this new return button on the top right corner, and we could also simply filling out all of the required information to add the return. Now moving on the top panel, we could also navigate these pickups by simply clicking on it. This option provides an e-commerce retailers with the ability to offer their customer the convenience of picking up their orders from nearby locations. However, to access this option, you must have an upgrade account or upgrade your plan to do so. And now under these rates, from here it will show you the price list depending on shipping direction, outbound or returns, and also depending on carrier, on weight, parcel dimensions, to country, from country, and any other details in here. So basically, depending on the size of the orders, the weight and other details of it will be determine the price list of it, which this option supports both predefined shipping methods and custom table rates, which can be set up based on specific conditions such as weight and destination. Now moving on to analytics that we will also navigate on the top panel. This option gives us the ability to track transit times for parcels, allowing retailers to monitor delivery times and identify potential bottlenecks in the shipping process. So below here it will show you other details including shipment overtime, shipment ratio, and many more. Now moving on the top panel, we could also navigate notifications. By simply clicking on it, you will be able to see here all of the notification updates for this platform of Sendcloud. And also we will be able to get notified to any new activity that is happening in our business. And now moving on the top panel, we could also navigate the settings option. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to see here our account settings that we could also customize. While on the right side panel, it will show us other details and options such as financial integrations, in which under integration, from here it will show us other platform that we could also connect, including Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon, and any other platform. And let's say we're going to connect one of our store in Shopify, and to do that, just click the connect button below the Shopify, in which upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page right here. And under the Shopify App Store, from here, we could also simply log in and install the application of Sendcloud in order to integrate our Shopify store into this Sendcloud. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Sendcloud. Thank you.